Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to claim new gifts on TEMU mobile app. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, you just have to download the TEMU application if you haven't already. So I've already downloaded it. So you just have to open the TEMU application and create and log in into your account. So yeah, once you have logged into your account, you're gonna have to make sure you have verified your email address on TEMU. So I've already done that, and if you just click on promotions, you can see I'm getting all the new user benefits here. So you can just choose any of those, and you can also check the email that you have provided for your TEMU account and see if you get any gifts here. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.